लेट्स स्टार्ट द थिंग्स, चीज़ों को स्टार्ट करते हैं. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट अ सैम्पल आंसर रिलेटेड टू रिलीजन एज अ फोर्स फॉर सोशल चेंज. ठीक है जी. Whenever we talk about religion as a force for social change या religion as a conservative force, ठीक है, मैं आपको उसका सिर्फ अभी थीसिस करवाऊंगा. ठीक है, आप एंटायर थीसिस सोशल चेंज के सवाल का जो डेवलप करेंगे वो रिलीजन सपोर्ट रिच एंड पावरफुल से सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं, फंक्शनलिस्ट आइडियाज़ के साथ कर सकते हैं, वे मार्क्सिस्ट के साथ कर सकते हैं. बिल्कुल, यानी कि ये वो लोग हैं जो कहेंगे रिलीजन कुड बी द फोर्स फॉर सोशल, वो लोग कहेंगे रिलीजन इज अ कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स, और जो अभी हमने रिसेंटली पढ़ा है वो कहेंगे रिलीजन इज अ फोर्स फॉर सोशल चेंज. ठीक है जी. अब जरा सा समझते हैं. ठीक है, सबसे फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ हमारा जो है, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट व्हाट दिस इज अवर इंट्रोडक्शन पैराग्राफ. ठीक है, as per historical evidences and political religious movements, it is evident that in some societies religion act as a force for social change, as religious ideology may have ability to get the reform or in fact revolutionize the society. Weberian ideas supports the phenomena as they consider religion is a force for social change, and it is also evident through multiple socio-political campaigns in the world like liberation theology, Arab Spring in Egypt, evangelical movement, in USA, etc. While on the other hand, traditional functionalists and Marxists assume that religion is a conservative social force that may be stabilize social order rather to promote social solidarity or capitalism. ठीक है, अब ऑटोमेटिकली rather कट कर देते हैं, to promote social solidarity and capitalism. ठीक है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली क्या हुआ, फंक्शनलिस्ट और मार्क्सिस्ट जो हैं वो इसका थीसिस जो होगा बेटा वेबेरियन आइडियाज से बनेगा. वेबेरियन, ईरान, इजिप्ट, ठीक है जी, लिबरेशन थियोलॉजी. एंटायर थीसिस के लिए आपको सहारा लेना पड़ेगा फंक्शनलिस्ट एंड मार्क्सिस्ट. ठीक है जी. अब इसका भी मैं आपको सब थीसिस कराऊंगा बिकॉज फंक्शनलिस्ट का और मार्क्सिस्ट का जो मैंने इससे पहले वाले सवाल अटेम्प्ट करवा चुका हूं. ठीक है जी. अब आते हैं नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ की तरफ. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट पैरा 1. डिटेल है थोड़ा सा. Iranian revolution is one of the recent examples where the religion can be seen as a force for social change. Azad conducted analysis on how social transformations such as Iranian revolution of 1979 occurred. He argued that this religious revolution overthrows a secular dictatorship. ठीक है, यानी कि ये जो रिलीजियस रेवोल्यूशन था इसने सेकुलरिज्म को हराया था. ठीक है, and thus occurred through alliance in if progressive elements among the working classes such as intellects and students and Islamic religious organizations. ठीक है, 3 लोग थे, intellectuals थे, students थे, ठीक है, and Islamic religious organization. ये सब तीनों ने मिलके इस चीज़ को डेवलप किया था. इंटेलेक्चुअल्स लिखते हैं इसको. ठीक है, after Shah was deposed, there was a power struggle for control in which religious leaders such as Ayatollah Khomeini proved stronger than secular leaders. Due to this Islamic government, Iranian revolution is considered as a religious revolution, so it supports the idea that religion is a force for social change. यानी कि एक्चुअल में चूँकि रिलीजियस गवर्नमेंट बन गई, रिलीजियस पार्टी उनकी जीत गई, सही है, पासदारान इनकलाब जीत गए उस पूरे सिनेरियो के अंदर, तो ऑटोमेटिकली वी कैन से दिस थिंग के Iranian Revolution is an example of religion as a force for social change. However, in Iran, the struggle of power was primarily political, economical, and ideological, and no economic transformation took place in Iran. In 1979, the Iranian economy was capitalist economy. However, despite religious revolution, it remains the same. ठीक है, यानी कि Iranian economy जो है, again it's a secular capitalist economy. ठीक है जी. Now we are having paragraph 2. Arab Spring in Egypt is another example of how religion can be used for a political revolution. In Egypt, religious organizations such as Muslim Brotherhood played an important role in organizing, channeling dissent after that eventually being elected in government. Dr. Morsi, democratic government actually revolutionized the dictatorship-based Egyptian political system into democratic government. Religious ideas play a vital role in transforming the Egyptian political system, so it can be argued that religion can be used as a force for social change in many societies. जैसे उनका अरबईन का निशान था. Muslim Brotherhood is a Islamic inclined religious party. ठीक है, so automatically जब वो वहाँ पे पावर में आए तो वो religious revolution consider किया गया. However, this democratic government was not able to survive and there was a hope from General Sisi and then again Egyptian political system turned into a dictatorship. Dictators playground कर लो. ठीक है जी. तो automatically this is your paragraph 2. We have done Iranian revolution, we have done Egyptian revolution. ठीक है. Now we need to move forward. अब now we need to go with the theory. Weberian, आप first paragraph भी Weberian का बना सकते हैं, doesn't matter. ठीक है. आप evangelical movement भी डाल सकते हैं इसके बाद, मसले की बात नहीं है. ठीक है जी. क्योंकि वेबेरियन की थ्योरी अलग थी, उसने दो पैराग्राफ बनाए, मैं कुछ भी नहीं किया. आप पढ़े तो सही. According to Weberian perspective, religion may act as a force for social change, as Max Weber wanted to understand why capitalism developed in some societies like England but not others, even though they had reached similar levels of economic and technological developments. He argued that it was a particular form of Protestant religion called Calvinism that provided the final push, allowing England to change in 16th century from agricultural based to modern society into a wealthy modern industrial society, Calvinism is considered as a spirit of capitalism, a powerful set of beliefs, practices that promoted a strong, lasting transformation. According to Weberian perspective, individual beliefs drive an action which eventually leads towards social change. In the Calvinist case, beliefs related to the predestination were considered as a spirit which lead towards the action for change. However, Fanfani argues that capitalism developed in some areas of Europe where capitalism was not a religious force, while in some societies it is observed that in societies the ideas of capitalism developed before the emergence of capitalism. यानी कि फैनी ने जो आर्गुमेंट दिया था हमने उसको बिल्ड कर दिया. एक्चुअली कैल्विनिस्ट का थोड़ा सा बड़ा आर्गुमेंट है, दैट्स व्हाई वी डिवाइड इनटू टू. ठीक है. Calvinists believe that God would know individuals were born. Their ideas rotate around predestination, while the God would not allow the sinners into the heaven. Bentel notes that हमारे पास extra theories भी है इसके ना, so that's why we can go with the two paragraphs. Notes to associate morality and good guidelines with hard work and reinvestment of money. According to the Calvinists, to get salvation, individuals had to be successful, hardworking, modest, and careful about how you spend your money. अब they are यानी कि austerity की तरफ जा रहे हैं. Weber argued that these were the attributes required to develop capitalism, an economic system built on creation and the reinvestment of profits. to make sure long-term business success. Weber's analysis of social transformation highlight the evidence that religion can start social change as a religiously inspired movement like Calvinism produced dramatic social transformation like capitalism. However, Tony argued that capitalism came into being through technological development, which revolutionized how goods could be produced and distributed. And Weiner claimed that Calvinism was a dominant religion, but it is acted as a conservative force that prevented social economic development and change. As a Calvinist, Scotland developed capitalism much later than the Protestants England. यानी कि इंग्लैंड जो कैल्विनिज्म था वो स्कॉटलैंड में था और क्या कहते हैं प्रोटेस्टेंट जो थे वो इंग्लैंड में थे. तो इंग्लैंड पहले कैपिटलाइज हो गया एज कम्पेयर टू द स्कॉटलैंड. ठीक है जी. अब नाउ वी आर गोइंग फॉर द लिबरेशन थियोलॉजी. The case of Archbishop Oscar Romero in El Salvador exemplifies the role of religious figures in advocating for social change, with priests and nuns often immersing themselves to empower communities to address issues through literacy programs and political awareness. Liberation theology, viewed by supporters as a return of the original church roots, aligned with the belief that Jesus the cause of poor and oppressed. ठीक है, यानी कि Jesus supported the cause of poor and oppressed. Jesus supported the कर लो the cause of poor and oppressed. Despite criticism from the Roman Catholic hierarchy, liberation theology contributed to progressive changes in countries like Brazil, challenging the notion that religion is always a conservative force. While Pope John Paul II condemned it, the existence of liberation theology underscores the potential of religion to play a role in multi-causal explanations of social change, challenging traditional views such as Marx that religion is inherently conservative. ठीक है, यानी कि बहुत सिंपल सी बात है. अब मैंने इसमें एवेल्युएशन साथ ही डेवलप कर दी है. तो बहुत सिंपल सा है कि भाई ऑल दो उसको प्रोटेस्टेंट्स की जानिब से सपोर्ट नहीं मिल रहा था, अपोजिशन मिल रहा था, बट उन्होंने डेवलप किया और मार्क्सिस्ट आइडियाज़ को भी अपोज करती है ये आइडियोलॉजी. ठीक है, आप चाहें तो उसके बाद एक और पैराग्राफ एवेंजेलिकल मूवमेंट का बना सकते हैं 6 पैराग्राफ को कंप्लीट करने के लिए. ठीक है, और आपका इस तरह से सैम्पल आंसर कंप्लीट हो जाएगा फॉर द थीसिस साइड. And you need to write down the entire thesis for that particular purpose with the help of the last sample answer which we have discussed, that religion supports the rich and powerful. Any confusion till here?